We've made our business successful by focusing on one person at a time. That's why we treat everyone with the same care and attention every single time. And now we're proud to share some great feedback. Take a look. This kind of feedback is so important to us because it lets us know we're doing a great job for everyone. And that just motivates us even more to keep providing the best service we can for years to come. So if you're looking for a company that really cares about serving others, backed by years of experience, we'd like to think we're the right business for you. Thank you for dropping in today. We are looking forward to doing business with you. We're only one call away from serving